What is up, guys? Welcome to the Cooking Guide. Today we're going to be cooking mac and cheese. Alright, so to make mac and cheese, a personal favorite of mine, I love this stuff, 250 calories.
Wow,
times 3, 750 calories for this whole thing.
That's 3 servings? Wow, that's a lot. Okay, here we go. Kraft mac and cheese.
Alright, so what you're going to want to do is you got to get 6 cups, right? So 3 of this, because this is 3 cups. And you go boom shakalaka, put them right into the cup, right? And then you got to turn your stove here on. Turn on, wait for it to boil, and then we're cooling, right?
That's what we got doing right now.
That's what we got doing right now, trying to make it a little quicker on ourselves, yeah. Alright, so we'll be back in a couple of minutes when
it's boiled.
It's boiled, and then we're going to keep going hard.
Alright.
You know we're always going hard.
Alright, here we go. We'll see in a little bit. Alright.
We're back, and it's boiling. Oh, yeah. Alright, so.
Kraft mac and cheese.
Kraft mac and cheese. Zoinks. Alright, so next, of course, the next logical step would be turn this down a little bit since it's boiling. You know how it'll be. Turn it down to, I'm going to put it down a little below medium. I don't know how your stove works. Nor do I care. But anyway.
So, we got to open up this package.
Open up the package, and you should see on the very hippity top, there's a cheese pack. Throw that away. Don't throw it away, but throw it to the side. Alright, now.
So here's the mac and cheese.
Pour that stuff in there, guys.
Here's the mac. Just pour it right in there.
And we got the, oh yeah, the golden spatula that's red. Alright. So, then you just gotta give it a little stir. This should take around 7 or 8 minutes, maybe a little longer. Every now and then you'll just have to give a little taste, see if it's ripe. You know, just bring one of them out, give a little taste. It's not ready yet because it's been about 20 seconds. But yeah, just attend to it every couple minutes and give it a little stirry, you know? You did?
But that stir has to be just immaculate. Right there.
You gotta get the niche. The stuff. Alright, but anyway, once again, we'll be back in about 7 to 8 minutes. And once it's, you know, cooked and whatnot.
Alright.
Peace out again, y'all.
We'll be back. Alright, and we're back.
What is that, bitch?
Here we are. We're about to do, you know,
a little taste test here. See if it's nice and fresh. You know
so
what I'm saying?
I'm gonna try it here.
Give it a test, buddy.
Ooh, that's hot.
You're not gonna be licking my spoon there. Is it that? Or is it subpar?
That is pretty good. I think
so?
I think it's ready to go. Alright, here we go.
I don't know, man. Is it ready to go? Watch out, folks. Very hot.
It's very hot. It's out of boiling water.
Be honest. I give it about another. It's ready. Alright. So next, we gotta turn this bad boy off. Oh, that's not. And boom. It's off. Next, we gotta get our trusty friend here.
Right here.
Right here. And then, so you're not gonna be able to see this because I can't do it here. But we're about to go over to the sink, which is right there, and we're gonna pour all this in there. And it's gonna drain all the water and keep only the macaroni.
Alright, so we're back. We're about to strain it here.
And you can't see it apparently. Alright.
Alright, so slow and steady.
Pour it in nice and slowly.
Alright,
a lot of steam.
See the steam? It's very hot, as you may be able to tell. And here we are. We're getting.
It feels like a sauna, dude. It's like a nice little bath going on here. Gotta make sure no man left behind. You know how it is.
Yeah, we gotta get everybody.
Watch out! Don't burn yourself. That's never a good idea.
Just leave it to the professionals. Mom and Dad, you guys can do this.
And yep, that's pretty much all of them except for 2.
Alright, so we got all of them in here.
Alright, now we're just gonna have to give a little bit of a shake here. A little bit of shake to make sure you get all the water out. And yeah.
Hear that?
Oh yes.
That's a good way of doing it. Making sure you hear that splatter.
You hear that splatter? That's how you know you're in very.
Make sure you give it a little
Very
shake.
good
Get all that. Give it a little shaky shake. Then pop it up and down. Don't go too hard. You already know. All right, there we go. I think we're good.
All right. All right. So now we got to put it back in the pot, nice and smoothly.
Just make sure you get it all in there, because you want as many macaroni as you can.
Oh, of course. Yeah. All right. This one's the real. You got to enforce the no man left behind.
There's a lot of them that's trying to stick in the strainer, so got to use the spatula, golden one, just golden red
All right,
one.
golden special.
Red, I mean it's golden too. So yeah, just gotta
Yes.
put it in there. Make sure it gets in there.
In there. Just got to give me a second.
And the last one's right here.
Oh yes.
All right,
now it's all in there. It's looking pretty nice. Now we're gonna have to put the old cheese packet that we threw to the side earlier. Now you just got to get a little. Oh yeah.
Nice
Love
little
that
rip
sound.
there.
That's my favorite sound. I wake up to that sound. And you just pour it in there.
As
Try
you
to
can
get it
see,
around. You know.
it's a good cheesy.
It's good cheese. Nice and yellow.
Yeah, you always want your cheese to be yellow. If it's not yellow, then it's not good.
Unless you're like me and you like white cheese more, but you know it's whatever.
I mean, you're just weird if you like it. So.
All right, next we're gonna go. Let's see, what is next?
Milk. So
Right here.
you always get your milk out of the microwave.
All right, so you're supposed to have a required half a cup, but see, I like my milk. So I'm going a third of a cup here. Just gotta pour it on in there.
Actually, you're supposed to have a fourth of a cup, not a half.
You're right, a fourth of a cup, because then what I said wouldn't make any sense. So a fourth of a cup, and I'm putting in a third of a cup just for a little extra oomph, you know. And you throw that. And then let's see what's next. Butter? Where's that at?
Oh, let me grab that. I don't see it. Oh, you dirty dog! What's that behind your ear? Oh, there's the butter. All right.
Oh my god,
You're so funny.
That's
All right,
good. I like
so
that. I like
we got our butter here. Our butter scooper.
Okay, so you're gonna need about 4 tablespoons. So
So
we got our nifty little
tablespoon scooper.
oh yes. You just kind of gotta. See, what I would recommend is it's nice to have a little fork here to just fork it on out. Makes it a lot easier because it doesn't always want to come out, you know.
All
So
right,
there's one.
So we got 1 tablespoon there.
Get a little closer, bro. This is awkward, man. You should be doing it. So normally you do this by yourself, so it's a little bit easier. But you know how it is on the nut.
We always are doing things together.
Because we like the nut, dude.
All right, so there's 3, and here's our 4th right here. So after that, we're just gonna whip it, and
So you got all the ingredients in there. You got your milk, you got your butter, you got your cheese, you got your macaronis, and then boom, you just got to give it a nice little stir.
all
All
right,
right, and now that we're finished stirring that bad boy,
all right, here we are.
got to give it a little, and it should go pretty quick. But anyway, now that we're done with that, time to put in the bowls and
All right.
feast. All right,
All right,
we
and
back.
there's the rest of it. Final bits right there.
There it is. Should get about 2 bowls of this stuff. It's looking good, to be honest.
Alright.
Get a little smell. It smells cheesy. You can smell a little cheese.
You can take a
That's
little
nice.
look here.
Take a look. I don't know. You probably can't hear it.
But it sounds good.
Sounds a little kind of thing going on here.
Great description there.
Thanks. So, what do you say? Give it a taste. All right.
Very cheesy. Very, very cheesy.
Cheesy for sure. No, stick. Those are right. We got those right. We got those at the perfect time, I believe.
I think
That's right.
the 1/3 cup of milk really drove it home.
Because it's nice and creamy, which is personally how I enjoy it to be. So yeah.
I'd give this a 9 macaronis out of 10.
I'd give 8.5.
8.5, really?
8.5. I'm not being as generous, I guess. But anyway, there you have it, guys. That's how you make this macaroni and cheese. It's 1, easy to make, 2, delicious, and 3, relatively quick.
Approved by the Nut Review.
Oh yes. All right. Well, see you next time.